Let's reset the TP Link 330 range extender. It's super easy, just grab the pin and locate the hole labeled reset on the left side of your extender and press this button for about 1 second. Now let me show you. Now we see all 4 LED indicators glowing solid white. It means my extender is working and connected to Wi-Fi, connected to the internet. And now let's reset. Let's press the button in the hole. 1 second, release, and just wait. Now reset is in process and now it's completed and you can set up this device from scratch. I've just resetted all passwords, all connections, all networks, and it's just like new. And also I've rolled back to the software version that was installed on the sale date. So that's it, guys. I hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and thanks for watching. Bye.